Planning, budgeting, assembling irrigation parts, and picking the right plant material all can be overwhelming, especially when you're creating a new landscape from scratch. The good news is you don't have to do it alone. You can hire a professional contractor to do some or all of the work. Whatever you decide, put some of these tips in your hip pocket so you find the right contractor to give you the outcome you imagine. The Southern Nevada Water Authority can help you find a qualified landscaper through its Water Smart Contractor program. Local landscapers complete the training to promote water-saving practices for homes and businesses. Dennis, why did the SNWA create the Water Smart Contractor program?
Well, we wanted to create a partnership between the green industry and the SNWA. The program actually creates a list of qualified, experienced Water Smart contractors that customers can access when they're ready to start their landscape upgrades.
Water Smart contractors must complete the SNWA's water efficiency training and be licensed, insured, and in good standing with the State Contractors Board. Knowing this up front can help you narrow down your search when comparing contractors and give you peace of mind when signing a contract. More than 70 contractors participate in our program, giving you plenty of options when choosing one to work with. Each meets 14 performance and equipment standards. You can find a list of Water Smart contractors on our website at snwa.com. If you plan to hire a contractor, it pays to be a smart consumer when you sit down with an expert to explain your needs. Before you start calling around, review free sample designs and planning resources on our website. Sketch out ideas and make notes you can discuss when you interview contractors. It's good to have sound ideas about what you want in your new landscape, but you'll also want to be flexible. Experienced contractors will have a skillful eye and know what works well in our desert environment. For instance, a plant you love may require more water than many other native or desert-adapted varieties, or it may not be the right fit for your yard. Also, define your budget in advance and discuss costs up front when you seek bids. And always get more than one bid.
Well, we recommend you get at least 3 bids, 3 separate contractors, and ask for references of their work, maybe photos of their past work. You really want to shop around and do your homework because the contractor you ultimately choose, you want to make sure you're very comfortable working with them to upgrade your landscape.
Some final words of advice. Before you sign a contract, make sure all specifications, material lists, permits, fees, and labor charges are spelled out. Any changes you or the contractor make during the job should also be in writing. Examine plans for accuracy before you okay them, and if you live in a homeowners association, allow time to secure HOA approvals for your new design before any work is started. As the job progresses, keep a file that includes all estimates, signed contract, and as-built drawings indicating changes to the original design, and warranties. If problems arise, these records may protect you. Helpful local resources include the Better Business Bureau and the Nevada State Contractors Board. When the job wraps up, your landscaper should explain how new irrigation components work and provide you with manuals and warranties to keep. Now's the time to ask questions about how to care for your new plants. Whether you'll do this yourself or hire a maintenance service, you're still the water customer of record, meaning you're responsible for complying with mandatory watering restrictions. What should residents ask for from their landscaper as the project is completed?
Well, if the project came with a new clock, for instance, you definitely want to know how to use it. So ask your contractor about the basic settings of the new clock, and always make sure you have a manual handy. Also, this is actually a really good time to go from an old irrigation clock to a new smart clock. The smart clock works, it actually adjusts your watering schedules according to the weather. And this clock can be accessed by your phone, a tablet, anywhere, anytime. But before you purchase that clock, make sure you go to SNWA to check out our Smart Controller rebate program and all the other incentive programs that we offer on our website.